Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Boulder Hill, local and long distance movers near me. We offer all the right moving services for your specific needs, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. No matter how far you need to move, we've got you covered. Our team will help you go 100 miles down the road or 2,000 miles. It doesn't matter if you need to move across the country or just one state over, we have the right long distance moving services for you. Choosing an excellent Illinois moving company will make a big difference when you move locally. A local move might seem simple, but it's not exactly the easiest task. Moving still requires you to pack up everything you own, load it up and move it, and unload it at your new location. This can be tiring and take up a ton of time. When you choose 3 movers, you get a streamlined moving day. We know how to get to your new home or location or business faster. Our team can make a move that would take you all weekend happen in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Boulder Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.